Jamaica's most wanted man, Prekeh Bwoy, taken out by cops in St. James.
They feel like them can't kill me. I'm strongly on my over. 3 times this now they make off and I'm dead. Them not see that. But them strong here that me feed them with rum.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Jamaica's most wanted man, Delano Wilmott, who goes by the aliases Lano and the Prekeh Bwoy, was shot and killed during an operation by members of the security forces in St. James on Wednesday morning, the 22nd of July. Reports are that Wilmott was shot dead during an early morning raid in the Amity area of Cambridge. A M16 rifle was reportedly seized in the operation. Prekeh appeared on the police's radar during the reign of terror by the Ratty gang on residents in Retrieve and Cambridge in the parish. He was a former top-level lieutenant of the gang, which was led by Ryan Ratty Peterkin. Peterkin, who went into hiding after the January 2018 declaration of a state of emergency in St. James, was shot and killed during a confrontation with the security forces in Westmoreland. Before that, Wilmott reportedly severed ties with the Ratty gang and formed his own Prekeh gang, which has been said to be responsible for numerous crimes, including murders in Cambridge and the surrounding areas. For almost 2 years, members of the security forces have been on an intense hunt to capture him. He was reportedly among a group of men that fired on a joint police-military team in September of 2018, injuring 2 soldiers. He was also wanted for the 2016 murder of Mark Williams in the parish. During the incident in which the 2 soldiers were shot and injured, Wilmott's friend Richard Anderson, also known as Cruz, was killed and an M16 assault rifle seized. The police had initially thought that Wilmott had been cut down. However, he later released a video threatening to avenge the death of his crony.
Yeah man. Me man, Prekeh man. They are sending boy a government right now. See all the government for Jamaica. John, what you even know them kill my friend, but everything good. Yo, Crows. You're my friend. Yeah man, we are teach Jamaica. Government and police them say. It's one of the worst wanted man. Them are going to new thing I'm getting from 18 dog. So that thing there, it boom up. 1 shot boom up station and 1 shot boom up. Then jump out van or them police car them are driving. So them just trying to know when me roll in. A different thing. Them feel like them can't kill me. I'm strongly on my over. 3 times this now they make off and I'm dead. Them not see that. Every time they come for me, one of my charge they end up out. But them strong here that me feed them with rum. Wait him rolling man, a different thing. As me charge it. So kick it in the dog. Till I come up on the 80 now. I see him so would kick you when they're in Jamaica. Wait till we roll in back man. And government boy there. Man, I slap him and try to guard up in yard with be a military soldier. That man, I tell him.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.